I've watched every single season of MasterChef at least 3 times, so I think my judgment is pretty good. You guys are at like a 3 right now. No, actually, maybe I'll lower to 2.5. Considering the last time you cooked a lemon meringue pie without a crust.
Connie is gonna burn down her own kitchen. Milo is going to be cooked, and Anna and I are going to be excited that Milo. You guys didn't.
I've seen both of you in the kitchen. It's not going to end well. But if you are cooking Milo, do hit me up because I want to eat some pasta.
I wholeheartedly agree with that. If you guys ever cook up Milo, just hit me up.
Well, how do you think we'll do for baking? Terrible.
We'll do good. I think you guys will be fine as long as Connie doesn't put salt.
Connie, maybe Anna.
I think Anna will be good.
Anna.
Both of them are bad. Both of them are
Awkward silence.
bad.
Guys, turn around and wave. Just got Squid Game!
Whoever doesn't take it out successfully has to do a really embarrassing thing.
Yeah, so Chloe, just being yourself is already enough to fulfill the challenge.
I'll just be in the back.
Nadia. Okay. Oh wait, maybe we should stick it over here.
Yeah.
Okay. This is our friend and then our pity invite up here. And today we're gonna make pretty good dips. 2 teaspoons of butter, 1 3/4 cups of sweetened condensed milk, 5 tablespoons of unsweetened Dutch processed cocoa powder, flaky sea salt, which maybe we'll find, and then sprinkles.
You know you could just voice over this, right?
Yeah.
Wait, let me get flaky sea salt.
Oh, that's true. We should just do a voiceover. Okay, I will do it.
I might be a noob.
I can't tell what this is. Oh, it is salt. That salt.
So we have butter.
You have the butter.
Not in focus. Do you guys know the Among Us rap? There's an imposter among us. Who can we trust? There's an imposter looking sus. Who can we trust? Cheers. Cheers. I'm eating Milo's food.
I don't like it.
What the?
I mean, I love it. Yeah.
It's a bit sweet,
It's a bit too sweet.
but I think it's so good. I like it.
I also think watching everyone put this together also makes it slightly more unappetizing.
Like, I don't know. Actually, wait, is this a good idea? We're advertising beer here. Oh, yeah. I don't like this. Tastes good. 8 out of 10.
Walk in.
Okay, do I describe any one of these? When can I talk? It's so awkward. When can I talk?
You can talk and you give us your reaction.
Damn.
Like, what's the texture?
Chunky?
Sure.
Put it the swap.
This is not focusing.
Hello?
So, this is what's for lunch.
What did you
can do it. Hello everyone, we're making
We're back for more.
Mexican
granuelos, which are like these things. They're like fried dough discs.
Think of like beignets.
Yeah, like beignets but flatter.
Yeah. Oh no, it's going. Look at it. It's pumping.
Okay, I think that was just like the Come on, Anna, you got this.
I mean, it doesn't have to be that big. I think that's just awesome.
I think that was like
Let me try this new dish I've never eaten before. It's so good. It tastes like fried churro. Honestly, 11 out of 10.
okay, and has your perspective of me and Anna's baking skill changed from this?
It improved a lot.
How much? Come on, give me the numbers.
2%. Okay. Yeah, it's really good. 9.
How was your opinion of our baking skills improved from this session?
I think I was very pleasantly surprised because I can't stop eating this. And it's really good. So good. Are we gonna butt this?
Alright.
Okay.
Last episode,
so
Anna will
funny.
sit on my lap.
Today has been so unhealthy. Mm-hmm. I feel like we didn't really eat that much though. Never mind.
Very good. Whoever made this is an excellent chef. Or baker, or whatever it is.
Mm-hmm. Mm.
What's so soft?
It's so good. Rating 1 to 10. Like 12.
No, take 1.
Yes, I'm gonna take one. Food review.
What's the score?
I'm passing it around.
Senior project.
Okay, rating out of 10.
Rating out of 10, everyone.
Oh, wait, I don't know what this is.
10, okay.
Like a 9.
9. 11.
I don't know if I like the little bitey bits because it hurts your teeth, or maybe I'm just weak and a grandma.
Farron, how did it taste? Wait, but
It's budge. Yeah?
good.
Delicious budge.
Thank you. Okay, how did it taste?
I can live with it.
Out of 10.
You don't ask questions? No, I'm kidding. Like a solid, 11 out of 10.
Oh, thank you.
It's okay. Very, very luscious.
Okay. Out of 10, how does it taste?
9.5.
Did you ask tomorrow? That's what.
It could be cruncher.
Is there like people would block us.
Today we are eating round churros.